Hey guys, we recreated this Norse Korean fried wings recipe and oh my god, it turned out so good. Since we both are working, it's really hard to manage cooking multiple items for iftar on daily basis, but we make sure that one item that we choose is a total hit. Marinate chicken wings with 1 chicken cube and 2 tablespoons soy sauce for at least 1 hour. Sometimes I actually wonder how this little cube adds burst of flavors into everything we make, be it a dal, vegetables, curries and whatnot. So we are coating our marinated wings in corn flour and frying afterwards. Take them out when they are crispy, crunchy and golden brownish in color. For sauce preparation, we need half cup Norse chili garlic sauce, garlic powder, brown sugar, soya sauce and barbecue sauce. Give it a good mix, cook for a while and when it starts simmer, toss your fried wings in it. Finger looking delicious. We actually fought for last piece of it. Make sure that each wing is tossed perfectly in the sauce, garnish with sesame seeds and enjoy.